Menteri Rengba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Sangma ula menjur ya ke senjam jong ke seng ban peniang ya ule minson momen kumu deputy speaker jong ke yeng dorbar thau an jong ke Jela Meghalaya. Ula Kyntait ban keran Halor ke dau bala betha ya Dimoti D Shira ban hiar syuki. Conrad Sangma ula ong ba ke seng kala penlong ya ke Jingieh Kam ke babenia Halor ke te ke kam bat larai bandai ban IT ya ule minson momen ya ke kam kumu deputy speaker. Namar bau liminson momen ula tap ya ke kerteng bat kaliang persyak kalarai ban nom peniang yono ru. Conrad Sangma ula pentip bau syajit kumu deputy speaker ke yang dorbar klem dadon bayale persyak.
Let the thing happen because we're not yet cleared the election. So let that happen and then I'll inform you. Okay.
But it says D Shira has told us that he has received a call from you at 11 o'clock at night asking him to resign. So why so late night call to asking him to resign?
As I said, I'll share everything with you when the time comes. So I think now is not the appropriate time to discuss. We have an assembly session going on. So let me complete the assembly session. Okay, I'll stop. Somebody will fall otherwise. No, as I said, it's too early to say anything right now. We have assembly session going on. So let us complete the session. And then I will brief you all on all the different aspects.
But sir, late night call suddenly, because this is something, since he has told us that he received a call from you at after 11 o'clock at night asking him to resign next day. Why this is it that a cabinet reshuffle on the cards?
That's why I said right now we have assembly session going on. So after the assembly session, I will be briefing all of you on all the concerns that you have raised.
Revision will be the consensus of the MDA.
Yes, we will be.
There is nobody to.
No, so he will be the consensus.
Naturally, he will be the.
Yes.
Get to become.
Yes.
Sir, any particular reason why the party has chosen him?
No, we have discussed with different leaders from the party, and after discussion, we felt that he is a very senior person, and keeping his seniority in mind, and also his experience in the government and in the assembly. So we feel that he would be a good person to be in the post of deputy speaker.
So the outgoing deputy speaker will be given.
So we'll discuss it later. Okay. Thank you.